Hello, dear friends and students. Assalamu alaikum. Let's start the exercise number 4 of the 700 book. I did not know the blacks very well as a family, but I had run up against them in the street from time to time. Full stop. They lived in a large old house just off the high street. Full stop. The house was too large for their requirements, and it was difficult to keep warm in winter. Full stop. The bedrooms were too big, and when the weather was cold, people trying to find comfort in the sitting room might just as well have been in the street outside for all the warmth they received from the coals burning in the little fireplace. Full stop. Next para. But the blacks did not move into a smaller and newer house. Full stop. It did not come into their heads to do so. Full stop. The old house had always been their home. Full stop. Father and mother had lived there from the first day of their married life, and the two children had spent all their days there. Full stop. There they were, and there they were likely to be in the years to come. Full stop. Modern and new houses were shot in the days that followed the war, and Blake himself found the situation of the old space very satisfactory because he ran an office in the high street, and he could walk to, or from his work in a matter of 5 minutes. Full stop. This saved him time, money, and trouble, and he thought himself a very happy man in this respect. Full stop. I doubt whether I ever would have gone into that house had I not offered to try to get some money for a good cause in which I was at that time interested. Full stop. I went from house to house asking for money. Full stop. I may add that I had not liked asking other people to give up their hard-won money, but on the other hand, I very much desired money for my cause, and so I was able to steel myself to go my round. Full stop. Most people gave willingly, a little perhaps, but a large enough number of small amounts can make a large sum, and I was always thankful for anything down to the last penny. Full stop. The door of the Blake's house was opened by a little maid who showed me into the sitting room. Full stop. It was a cold afternoon, and the mother and the girl were sitting near to the fire reading. Full stop. My surprise must have shown itself on my face. Full stop. I looked from one to other. Full stop. The mother must have married quite young, for she was clearly under 40 while the girl was about 17. What surprised me was that the two faces looked just the same. Not not a line showed on the mother's face, and her eyes, so clear and willow, were no less beautiful than those of the girl. Full stop. The faces were small and perfect in form. Full stop. Never I had before been such a remarkable likeness between two people of such different age. Full stop. Yet there was a difference, and what a difference it was. Full stop. Done high up on the girl's head, above those blue eyes, was a wonderful mass of red gold. Full stop. Where were the modern partners, I asked myself, waiting to paint this red gold loveliness for future people to look at? Question mark. Such a wonderful thing should be seen by all the world. Full stop. It was not enough for it to be kept here, not known, not loved, except by her own family. Full stop. How long, asked myself, could such color last? Question mark. It seemed to burn, and I had the feeling that it would burn itself out. Full stop. I turned my eyes back to the mother, with her perfect face. Full stop. Done high up, and her head in the same way was a mass of white. Full stop. I looked, not one touch of color could I see. Full stop. My face must have expressed only too clearly my thoughts, for the mother turned to me and said, "Yes, it is very beautiful." Full stop. I was just like that once, and look at me now. Full stop. All the women in our family are white before they are 30. Thank you, dear friends. Assalamu alaikum.